Hello friends, welcome to Quick Flicks. If you love exploring ancient stories and uncovering mysteries, you are in the right place. Today, we're talking about one of the most fascinating stories in Indian history, the lost city of Dwarka. Dwarka was the city where Lord Krishna is said to have lived, and it is believed to have disappeared beneath the sea thousands of years ago. But what if I told you that Dwarka wasn't just a myth? What if there's much more to the story than we think? In this video, we'll explore the mysteries of Dwarka, reveal things you might not know, and discuss some surprising facts. Make sure to stay with us until the end because we're about to uncover some very interesting secrets. Dwarka is an ancient city mentioned in the Mahabharata and other old texts. It is said that Lord Krishna himself built Dwarka, making it a grand and beautiful city with palaces and huge structures. But what happened to this great city? According to ancient texts, Dwarka disappeared into the sea after Krishna's death. But here's something that might surprise you. Scientists believe that parts of Dwarka were actually submerged under the sea around 1500 BC, long before the time of Krishna. Could Dwarka have been a real city? Was it lost to time? Let's find out. The archaeological evidence. In 2001, underwater archaeologists discovered the remains of an ancient city near Dwarka, under the sea. These ruins include large stone walls, pillars, and even roads. This discovery has raised a lot of questions. Could these be the remains of Krishna's Dwarka? What's even more interesting is that the structures found under the water are about 9,000 years old, which is much earlier than the time of Krishna. The ruins show that the city was once a big center for trade and might have been a port. There are even signs that Dwarka was an advanced city, but no one really knows how or why it ended up beneath the sea. The unknown mysteries and unexplained facts. Here's where things get even more interesting. The ancient texts talk about Vamanas, flying chariots, and powerful weapons that seem like they were much more advanced than what we know about ancient technology. Some people believe that Dwarka had these advanced technologies, and that it could have even had weapons like missiles or powerful energy sources. Could Dwarka have been a place of advanced science and technology? Some also think that the city was destroyed by a massive natural disaster like an earthquake or tsunami, but no one can explain exactly how it happened. The lost port of Dwarka and its potential. One of the most exciting discoveries is the lost port of Dwarka. Underwater archaeologists have found huge port structures close to the city ruins. Could Dwarka have been an important port, helping trade and movement of goods across the seas? The discovery of these structures in the Arabian Sea suggests that Dwarka was once a powerful maritime city. But why hasn't this been studied more? What secrets could still be hidden underwater? The untold story of Dwarka's submersion. Finally, let's think about how Dwarka sunk. Could it have been destroyed on purpose? Some people believe that the rulers of Dwarka knew that the city would one day be lost, so they might have hidden its secrets or made sure it was forgotten. Could there be hidden chambers or special inscriptions that explain more about the city's fall? Right now, no one knows for sure. Maybe the full story of Dwarka is still out there, waiting to be uncovered. Conclusion. The story of Dwarka is more than just a legend. It's a mystery that still intrigues historians and archaeologists. From its possible advanced technology to its mysterious disappearance, the city of Krishna holds many secrets that we may never fully understand. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think Dwarka was real, or just a myth? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more amazing stories right here on Quick Flicks.